It's beautiful. You got some strawberries, you got waffle, and a granola.
Like, this is the Reese's peanut butter pancake. Hey guys, so we are back with another video, and with this video, we are doing a waffle off.
Goddamn right we are.
And I feel like I bought a mini waffle maker, which is here. It's this little bitty thing here. I would pick it up, but my dumb ass turned it on. It's this. I thought, why not me and boy do a waffle off? So I bought this mini waffle. So basically it's a cook-off. So the way it's gonna work is we're both gonna make waffles for each other, and whoever got the best waffle, we'll taste both. Whoever got the best waffles, it has to be, it's 3 tiers. It's the waffle, the taste, presentation, that's 2, and I think the 3rd is, oh that's it, presentation and waffle.
But the taste outweighs everything. Nobody wants to eat something that look good but tastes like shit. That
okay, but presentation is also important. So it's gonna be half and half. You have to win on both.
No, you don't.
So overall,
nobody wants something that look good and tastes nasty.
And nobody wants something that looks nasty and try. No one ever woke up and said, I want to try something that looks disgusting.
You ever seen legume? Legume look like throw up. That shit's good in that motherfucker.
That's not true. It does not look like that. It looks pretty good and healthy. Anyways, whoever wins, we never even came up with a bet. What happens if you win?
Anal.
No. So, if I win, you buy me some.
Okay.
Or should I make you?
I'll buy you whatever's in the mall.
Alright. Get the fuck out of here. Okay, I'm trying to think. Okay, if you lose, you have to.
I'll clean the house.
Clean the house.
I'll sweep the living room.
You clean the bathroom.
Alright.
And if I lose?
You can't nag me for a week. You have to shut the fuck up.
I can't nag for a week?
Yes. I don't want to hear shit.
Okay, that's fine. Alright, so that's the bet, you guys. In this corner, you have... What's the white guy's name?
You talk Gordon Ramsay?
No. How about the boxer? The one that beat Wilder.
You talking about fucking Tyson Fury, bro?
Yeah. So in this corner, you have Tyson Fury going for the win. And if I lose, I have to not nag for a week. Which is very disrespectful. I don't nag.
It's not even possible.
But I will not nag for a week. And then we have Deontay.
Not Deontay. I look like a Deontay though.
In this side of the corner, and if he loses, he has to clean the bathroom. And it's so dirty right now.
And we're off.
Wait.
Nah, I'm joking. Go ahead.
So we changed the view. Okay, so I gave him a tutorial on not to burn himself. So he knows how to use this base or anything else you don't know how to use.
Nah, bro.
He said he's just gonna follow the instructions in the back.
It's not hard, bro.
Newbie.
Fuck, can't make waffles.
So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start. And remember, everybody, the rules were taste and presentation. And you know, it gotta be a good waffle. So we had time to go get our ingredients. Someone didn't. But we can see what we're gonna do. So
I just touched down, just got in the city, so whatever.
In the words of boy.
And we're off! Alright, what you do first? Let me see what this should say. This should say heat up with water. Oh, I'm already ahead for the game. Say grab a large bowl and toss in 2 cups.
There you go, your large bowl. You don't need to follow the exact instructions.
What is it? Is this a cup?
Yeah.
Trash out the way.
Wow. Yeah.
Don't talk to your friends, bro.
Well, you guys, how are you guys doing? I know we've been missing MIA with like reaction videos, but you know, pandemic and all. Can you pass me that? You can't just hog it.
I need 2.
No, you don't need 2 cups. We're not making that much pancakes. Just do 1 cup. Yeah, you gotta simplify. You gotta shorten up everything. You're not gonna make that much.
Okay. You just mad because I'm ahead. What's the third step? This shit say, it said grab a large bowl topped in 2-cup pancake mix, 1.5 cup of water.
You can use water or milk. I got milk.
Yeah, milk, duh. Make it take better. Oh, you wasting my milk? That shit like $4.
Wasting? We're gonna eat the pancakes still.
See how it goes.
Look, you see, God don't like ugly. You're being a bad competitor. He just told me to get my ass out his way, you guys. God do not like ugly.
Cut that for me. Then it said I need 1 egg. My egg guy.
The egg is right in front of you. I gave you your egg.
That shit was on here. I don't know where is that. Bro, you took my fucking egg, bro. Trying to cheat, man.
I wasn't cheating, I swear. I don't know how the fuck I got your egg. I do not know how in the hell I got your egg. And you know what's so funny? He's like a germaphobe when it comes to his hands, so it's so cute seeing
Yeah, I was washing my hands before Corona.
Before it was cool.
I was just about to use that, bro.
It's what?
The cinnamon, bro. Everybody know you need cinnamon.
You're just a Konami copy of my fucking recipe, yo. That's why I hid most of my things today. I feel
How
like
much Crisco I'm supposed to put in this shit?
Crisco. What? The baby, do it over here. Over here. Not
you ain't never hear what Steve Harvey told that girl that joke. She was so fat, she said she sweat Crisco.
Oh my
God.
I ain't never seen that.
He said that was so fat, she sweat Crisco. I was like, God damn, how fat is she?
What the fuck?
Yes.
Wow. No, you're not.
So goddamn,
Okay, you're not using my recipe.
Oh, nigga, bro. You wasting money. I'll be a lot young, bro.
Hey, I know how to be a smart shopper and make yummy, delicious waffles.
Put it over there.
No! That's how you fought.
Double. Do that?
You're supposed to. Why would you take the whole thing off the cinnamon? You're supposed to pop it.
Oh, I know that.
You got too much.
That shouldn't be spicy.
I can't breathe. Okay, what am I doing next?
You was cheating.
Cheating? How am I cheating?
Nah, then shit gonna be hot. I need more milk.
Ow. Here.
Hey, pour some of that in there while
I'm not here to help the weak. Do it yourself. God smiles on me.
You'll be surprised. It's
He
like
do everything here, so you know.
When you cook dope, that shit look just like it's gonna be white. Right before you do it like this, and you make the cookie.
What cookie are you talking about?
The cookie, bro.
Oh, me and my users, we don't know what you're talking about, sir. I hope you get it together.
They put a little like this?
I don't know. Yeah, supposed to look like, here's your instructions. Don't be asking me for help.
No, I'm done. Excuse me. What did waffle make that? Alright, guys, it's time. I beat her. I made the first waffle. So I'm winning when it comes to speed.
Whatever.
That'd be hot.
Remember I said you gotta pan it down first.
I'll stick on the block, spray pan on it.
There you go. All over it. Not too much, not too much. And the top. Alright, that's it, that's it, that's it. Like I'm teaching him I'm trying to make the best pancake too. That's not fair. I gotta fucking do a lesson.
How much shit brown and yours yellow?
I don't know. I don't think it's supposed to be this yellow though.
Haha, she fucked it up. She thought she knew everything.
It's because you look at
Just this much, ain't it? You don't need no more.
Yeah, you don't need that much. Now go ahead and press it down. Yeah. Why are you so scared?
No, I'm trying to get burned. Especially after I made this good ass cinnamon waffle.
It's cinnamon, alright.
Cinnamon French waffles. The blue light, you know what I mean? It's done?
No, the blue light being on means it's on. The machine is on.
How do you know when it's done?
Oh, here's your box. I'll tell you.
Oh, come on, bro. This is for a bigger pot. I'm asking you.
Then you gotta, yay.
Can I just open this?
You can check whenever you want.
Oh, it's done already.
So it looks done to you?
Let me get a little bit longer. It look done.
Okay.
It look good too. And the presentation, my shits are perfect, circle. I'm hungry though, boy. I hope this shit good.
That's beautiful waffle. Let me get you another plate for your presentation.
How long you supposed to keep that shit in here though?
It's on the box.
Babe, it doesn't say that.
Yes, it does.
That's to make 12. This make it 1.
It don't matter.
So you cheating? You gonna let my shit burn?
I don't care. It's all in the love of war.
Is it cooked at least? That shit's starting to turn dark brown.
It's definitely cooked.
Okay.
Is it how you want? Is that how you want it? You gotta poke it out and move it. Come on, come on. You want me to help you?
Oh, you supposed to poke it, like stab it?
No, like do the sides and get it out.
Oh, this shit too soft. It's not supposed to be this soft, is it?
I don't know. I can't tell you. You want me to? You're cheating.
You're not doing it then. Let's finish you up, buddy.
This nigga said finish you up, knowing damn well he's losing miserably.
I think my shit gonna taste good.
I hope for your sake it does.
That shit done. It's done now.
That looks pretty. We should show everybody.
Can't zoom in, but that's what it look like. And my shit smell good.
It does smell good. What you put in there? Cinnamon?
Put a whole bunch of cinnamon in there. It's about to drop.
Taking up all my time when it's my turn.
All right, go ahead. I'll start finishing up the rest of my plate.
Yep, you do that. I hope it looks great.
Now I'm all about health, so to add to the plate, I give you.
I'm all about health.
Get you a granola bar, cause you want to have a good breakfast.
So I am making my homemade peanut butter chip waffle. Because I know that boy loves peanut butter. So I went and I got some beautiful Reese's chips, put it in my batter, and I still have presentation. Yeah.
You done? I wasn't done at making mine.
This is so funny. Okay, I see you. Thank you. Please stay away from nice amount of chips in this one. Oh shit, I think I put too fucking much.
Yes.
Yeah, wait till
Those chips in mine too, since you want to cheat, bro.
Are you serious?
Bro.
Are you serious?
This is gonna be cinnamon. Ew, peanut butter and cinnamon. That should be nasty.
Peanut butter and cinnamon is gonna be nasty. Don't be copying my shit. Oh my god, this is why I kept my head all. Oh fuck.
She lost. Show it to the camera. Show it. You deducted 10 points. Show it to the camera.
I put too much.
Show it.
It overflowed. That's what I get for being fucking stupid. Oh, it's still cooking though. It's still a good pancake. Where the fork at? Give me the fork. He put chips in, so I'm deducting a point for cheating, stealing my idea.
And I'm giving myself a point for being innovative.
By cheating?
And that was a big owl.
Yeah. Pow. And they got my chips in there. It smells so delish.
Better than mine?
Yep. You're such a cheater.
It's easy. I don't even need you to make me breakfast no more. I can make my own now.
The biggest cheater I know. I will never play with a cheater. You cheated with the game. What game was that one we had recently?
Oh my God, slap effects.
Slap effect. You cheated with slap effects. Let me get that.
Hurry up, please.
You're so lame.
People who take too long to cook, I'm tell you right now, people hate you, bro. The niggas be waiting forever.
Okay. That's it.
You ready?
That's it.
You done?
Okay.
Show the people your.
All right, we're gonna go show you guys. We're gonna get yes.
Ah, look at this. It's beautiful. You got some strawberry. You got waffle
more.
And a granola. Look at that.
That is horrible looking presentation.
All right. Show them what yours looks like.
This is.
You look like somebody shitted on it, bro.
This is the Reese's peanut butter pancake.
Of both plates.
So this is what it look like. Now you see the strawberries here. I got some Reese's whipped cream, Reese's nuts and chips. Tation, I think you win for presentation.
Yes,
I'll give you
say
that.
it. Look at the camera and say it.
He won for presentation. Whatever.
Now here's the big test.
The taste test. I'll syrup first because he said
you need to be able to taste the actual waffle.
Okay.
The syrup will hide it.
So we're gonna both do it without, and then we'll add the syrup.
All right. So
what y'all should start on that one instead.
She even cheating for herself.
I'm not.
Yeah, this was an easy win. I give it 0. I'm not finna this out.
Wait, we have to add syrup, and this is not that great. Not take your own shit.
Now we try each other.
Wait. That happened.
Now we're gonna try our own. Now wait. What did you give mine? What was the score?
It was okay. It was very thirsty.
What
dry.
On the thing?
I give it a solid 4.
Yours, I'm gonna be real bland. It tastes like a waffle though, so I'll give you a 2.
Lying.
This is mine. I ain't like it. I ain't like it. That was my break one though. Let's try my other one.
Okay, we have to do it with syrup now for both. Come on.
Ew. That shit is nasty. Good God.
Okay.
Your one that much better.
Get out of here. It was great.
You won, but shit, these waffles nasty. They're not even worth me eating. I wasn't feeling it. I don't like waffles like that.
I love mine. Mine tastes great.
Well, guys, there you have it. It was an official tie on the pancake. I mean, on the waffles.
No, I won.
Mine looked better. Hers tasted better. Nobody won. Nobody won. Nobody won. That's what
you were just saying.
I was saying it's all about taste. You said it's equal. You fucked yourself.
Whatever.
It's over. Thank you, guys.